All right. Training for God makes us feel thankful for the things that we have, even the rough things, the things that don't happen easy. Those things as well makes us thankful, even more thankful, because when we train to be accepted by God, there's pain involved, and that pain branches out into other thoughts, other possibilities that we reach certain altitudes of success because pain is part of the process that gets us there. So there is pain in being accepted unto God and in being successful. Some of the most successful experiences in life are quite painful, actually. So thank you for stopping in and enjoy your hard work. That pays off. And the great things that God is doing. Don't encourage anything that can cause the spread or infestation of an illness, this virus that is going around. Each person has to do their part. Even though God keeps us well, we have to do our part in self-care. That means get lots of rest, keep the body and the mind in good shape. Thank you. Enjoy your week. From Hog Dungeons. All right, thank you now.